Okay, we got a little bit sidetracked there for a bit because we cleaned up the trailer
on the beach in the cool weather.
Awesome. Yeah, we started, we started picking up a little bit, and I started thinking, man, it's nice and cool right here, and we're on the beach. If we have to open this thing up and clean it up,
let's do it here.
Right, here's the place, right?
And we put music on.
Yeah.
I sang and danced.
Yep.
We cleaned up the trailer, aired up the tires. We had to do that anyway.
Yep.
And now
I even mopped the garage floor a little bit. We got some more. We have some more projects to do on the trailer. I'm gonna. You should look that up. We're gonna line the garage wall with some protective plastic kind of, something.
Okay. Yep.
And,
we're gonna do that. We're gonna do some put some staples where they need to go in some spots. I noticed.
Yeah.
Just the normal stuff that happens. That if you've never been inside of your toy hauler when it's moving.
Yeah.
So the people that complain about them, I've been in it for a little bit at a time on the beach or wherever. I'm actually shocked that it stays together.
Right.
At all. You should be in there and see what it looks like. I mean, then you maybe you'll get a little more appreciation for what goes into that. Man.
Yeah. So, but anyway,
we should have gone through that.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't get in there. So now we're headed home with a nice clean trailer on the inside.
And we're probably not going to take 12 hours because we're not all hopped up on Tylenol PM this time.
No, we're driving straight through. We're going to grab some food someplace. We're going to get some fuel. And we're going to...
Food and fuel.
Roll on home.
I'm going to roll on home. That's what we're doing. That's the plan. And we're going to do some research on some stuff. And talk about amongst each other about some future projects and what do you guys think we should be doing?
Yep.
I mean, we have ideas, but where you guys want to go with us? Exactly. Make sure it's close enough where we can drive there because we don't get a lot of time off work.
Right. Okay, so we got we're on the highway.
Yeah, we are.
And we got a bit of a vibration going on or something. Like I don't know what it is.
It's like a tire or might be a tire.
So, it's not even. We're going to roll a little bit further and see what we got. I'm kind of keeping the speed down.
It gets worse when we speed up a little bit, so we're just going to stay low.
Yeah.
It just started. We're going to pull off up here anyways. We got to get.
Yeah.
I walked the truck just now. I walked around and did my pre-trip safety check. Trying to see if it's this back passenger tire right now.
I mean, it felt perfectly fine when we drove in. The only thing we've done is...
We probably need to, pull off and see if it's this tire right here. Might be.
What is it?
It might be the rear passenger tire. It looks like it might be the tire.
What's it doing?
I don't know if that's true. Roll my window down. No, maybe not. Wait. I don't know. It kind of looks like it might. I don't know. Be bubbling out a little bit or something and kind of wobbly. I don't know.
It feels more like it's in the front to me, but maybe not. It's hard to tell sometimes.
Roll me up, Captain. We're going to find out what it is in a minute. Obviously not right here. We're not pulling over right here.
Yeah, we're not going to pull over on this side of the road. We're going to find a spot where we can actually get off along the frontage road.
Yeah.
Like we see up there. So we'll be back with you in a minute. We'll see what's going on.
Findings.
Alright,
we're new to it.
So we ended up off on the road we shouldn't have gotten off. We should have recorded it.
We were too terrified of knocking all this pretty stuff down.
Yeah,
we're like a bull in a china shop.
Tiny little narrow road with the overhang trees.
Beautiful lights.
Yeah.
And we're just like,
we need to pull over. And that was
I gotta find some quarters.
That was only at we need several quarters. Let's see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. We only need 4 quarters. Alright, so what's going on is we got some kind of vibration. I don't know if it's coming from the front, from back, or what's going on. Trying to figure out if there's anything obvious. That's dirty, that's obvious. Like, if there's any bubble on the tire or anything crazy like that. Nothing on this one. Go ahead and look at the trailer tires are out here. We got sand everywhere. I don't know, but it's definitely a vibration. Probably starts around 50 or so and just gets worse. You go faster than 60, it just increases with the intensity increases with the speed. Like there's a bubble on a tire, or, you know, something crazy like that, or a bent wheel, or who knows. I can't tell. I don't see anything obvious. I'm gonna pull forward a little bit so I can look at the part of the tire that's covered up right now. I don't see anything. Let's just pull forward a little bit. Like that. Look it over again. Got it. I don't see anything obvious, that's for sure. Hey, do me a favor. Can you kick that wheel for me? Like this. See how it moves a little bit? Kick it right there for me. No, this one, babe. See how it moves a little bit?
Yeah.
Do that for me so I can look at it. I don't see anything. If you see it, let me know. That kind of looks like it moves a little bit. Yeah. Interesting.
Shackles on the trailer? No.
Alright, so we're going to try this one more time. But I had Brandy rock the steering wheel back and forth.
Gonna rock the wheel.
Not like that. And there's nothing real obvious. There's a tiny little slack in one area of the steering, but nothing crazy. So we'll do it one more time and show you what it looks like.
Yeah, ready?
Yep. Tiny little bit of slack on the end of the fitment arm right there where it connects to the, would be the drag link. But I don't think that's our problem. So we're gonna hit the road again and see what we can figure out. We'll be back. Well, it was pretty inconclusive. We didn't really find much. So we're gonna roll on and hope for the best right now, because I don't see anything that looks dangerous or, you know.
We checked, guys, so
we're gonna roll on and see what we get. We'll be back. We're gonna.
Want to show what shows out?
Huh? Yeah, we still gotta stop soon for
Stuff.
So yeah, we got off. I don't know what town this is, but man, the roads.
Napomo, maybe?
This are
is one of the 5 cities.
Napomo's actually the other way.
Keep it on. Here we go. We're at Walnut. And
so this is not.
Is it No Los Osos? Is that the name of it? Sounds like it would be the name of the town. Here we go.
But it's a really
off of 101 North.
Tight, narrow roads.
It's Gallaudet Adobe. Next right. What is that?
Yeah.
Laurel Bay, Hearst Castle that way. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, can you? Yeah. Thank you.
So that's where we're at.
That's where we are.
We're gonna roll on and see what we get. So yeah, once we get about 50, 55, that's when you start feeling it. A little bit of vibration.
I wonder what it is. I should research.
So I don't know, maybe
it's Jerry Brown.
Exactly. We're gonna roll on. Unless it gets worse or changes in some way. And then we'll inspect it. We're going to show you what it's like to go up Cuesta now. We showed you what it was like to come down.
So now, what goes down must go up. Anyways, we're going up in this old, beat-up 2011 Ford F250 with a tiny little baby 6.7 turbo diesel. Can it be done? And is it hard? Are we going to be like, oh God, I think I can, cars behind us is honking? Or are we going to blow past them at our 55 mile per hour speed limit in the truck lane, acting like this trailer isn't even hooked to the truck? What's it going to be? I don't know.
We'll see.
Stay tuned.
Alright.
But anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you should do it because it helps us and we like you guys. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, you should just hit that dislike button 2 times and we will stop all the shenanigans like immediately, probably. And leave us comments, all that. Follow the links. Come hang out with us in the sand, the dirt, the mud, the snow. Not the mud. We don't do mud. But the rest, yes. And thank you guys for watching. As always, peace out.